Analysts say the financial support alone will not curb the risk of more social unrest. Finance Minister Tito Mboweni announced a 36 billion rand support package to assist South Africans affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and the recent unrest in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. It includes deferment of taxes and the reinstatement of 350 rand support grant extended to next year March. However, senior researcher at Trade and Industrial Policy Strategies, Niva Makhetla, says government also needs to focus on dealing with underlying societal issues.
What we have seen in the past couple of weeks is that the risk of not meeting people's needs, particularly when we're in a crisis like the COVID-19 pandemic, that risk can be much greater. And so I think getting that balance right is not an issue for Treasury, it's an issue for government as a whole.
Tax experts say that government's announcement of tax deferrals is not a loss to the fiscus.
These incentives that are being announced, they're not really new because we had them around this time last year, where we saw, for example, pay-as-you-earn that is collected by employers being deferred for a number of months before they are required to pay it. So, and that is not a loss really to the fiscus because it gets deferred for just a few months.
The support measures are unlikely to have a negative impact on the fiscus.
There is no new money that is coming into the budget. So I think that in our discussion, we must understand that we are using the existing fiscus. An amount of 36 billion has been announced for immediate disbursement to those that were affected by the unrest.
Mboweni revealed that although Treasury preferred a 6-month extension, President Cyril Ramaphosa insisted on an extension until next year March. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.